to bring everything again as it was, select, double click, rename this to display. Same with this one. Select rebuild, select save, save all. As we can see from the manager tree here on my left hand side, I can see that the handle is highlighted in red. Let's see what's the problem. The problem is in mates. In place. Okay, this mate here is a mate that has been generated when I was creating my component. So for example, when I go to insert components, drop down menu and select the new part, Solidworks is asking me where to create that component. So automatically this mate is generated in place. And as we can see, is saying in place for plane 1. So this is a mate from the handle plane 1. Okay, it's a mate that has been generated on this plane, on the front plane. So select this mate and press delete. Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's keep going. Go to the search engine here, type EQ, equations. Now let's move to the handle. Double click on the handle. Select this component here, global variables, select length. As soon as the main length of the device body is equal to the length of the handle, we don't need to do anything else, so enter. Select this dimension is equal to length times parenthesis 3 divided by 125. Enter.